The separate property rule, premarital and non-marital property. Determining separate property is often one of the most difficult tasks involved in a high asset value divorce. It is incumbent upon the attorney to determine what is separate property and what is community property. Absent a valid premarital agreement, the marital rights of parties are fixed in accordance with California property law. Generally, community property is divided equally. Separate property is excluded from the community property and is awarded to the owner. Separate property interests include property owned before marriage, property acquired during marriage by gift or inheritance, and profits of such property or property subject to a valid premarital agreement. Characterizing the status of property interest as community or separate is the foundational starting point for the resolution of marital property rights. The type of ownership of the assets, such as joint or individual ownership, must be determined early in the case. Issues concerning refinancing of assets during the marriage and use of the proceeds from the refinancing must also be carefully considered. Additionally, separate property can be subject to what is called transmutation, which is a transaction or an agreement that results in a change in the character of the property. By this process, separate property can become, in whole or part, community property. This issue is confusing and complex, and your attorney must be experienced in sorting out all the facts and legal issues involved. The issue of the parties' fiduciary duties towards one another in managing marital assets may also become a problem in a complicated high asset value divorce. This is especially true in the difficult financial times that now exist with declining asset value. Did the spouse reasonably destroy the value of the business? Questions about whether one's spouse's management of the business has been proper may be an issue. When property is determined to have been separate property, what the fuck? Where the hell are the rest